In this video, I'll show you how to link TikTok with Payoneer so you can receive creator payouts. First, make sure you actually have a TikTok earning feature that supports payouts, such as an eligible creator payout program. TikTok's help pages show that payout methods are managed from your account balance area, while Payoneer says it is available as a payout option for TikTok Live creators in more than 120 countries, so availability can depend on your program and region. Next, you open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu button, then open Balance or the Earnings section connected to your creator program. TikTok's official support says payment methods are managed from there. Now look for Withdraw, Payout Method, or Manage Payment Method. If Payoneer appears as an option, tap it and you'll be sent to the Payoneer login or sign-up flow. Sign in to your Payoneer account or create one if needed, then follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. When Payoneer's official TikTok Live page says creators can link a Payoneer account and use it to receive earnings. After that, go back to TikTok and confirm that Payoneer is now listed as your payout method. Once payouts arrive in Payoneer, you can usually withdraw them to your local bank account from your Payoneer balance, subject to Payoneer fees and country support. If you do not see Payoneer inside TikTok, that usually means it is not available for your country or for that specific TikTok monetization program on your account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.